Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And I got a package and I want to show you what's inside. So let's open it up and see. Gotta use my knife to open up the package. Bye bye bye. Oh, this is a universal battery charger. It's a smart, quick, universally charger for AA, AAA, NIMH, NIC rechargeable batteries. This is good, especially around holiday time. This is one is called a fast speed. This is from EBL. This is I won this at a giveaway on Facebook. So I will be thanking Facebook. This is good for indoor only. And let's see how it looks inside. Ooh, they gave me batteries, rechargeable batteries. I got a case that holds them. And I got 8. I got a rechargeable cord. And this is great for Christmas. Thank you, EBL on Facebook, because you always need batteries on Christmas. And this is how it looks. Thank you. Throw your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button, because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff and things.